Today, we're diving deep into a rumor that could potentially shake up the foldable phone market. Samsung, the undisputed king of foldable devices, might be about to introduce its first ever titanium backed foldable. Let's break down the details. We've been hearing whispers about a slimmed down version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, often referred to as the Z Fold 6 Slim or Z Fold FE. This device is expected to offer a more affordable and compact alternative to the flagship Z Fold 6. The motivation behind this move is clear. Chinese manufacturers have been making significant strides in the foldable phone space, releasing devices that are often thinner, lighter, and more affordable than Samsung's offerings. It seems that Samsung is feeling the heat and is responding by introducing a more competitive product. To combat the Chinese competition, Samsung has reportedly been working on a thinner and lighter version of the Z Fold 6. While they may not be able to completely outmatch the Chinese rivals in terms of sheer thinness, the goal is to create a device that feels more comfortable to hold in use. To achieve this, Samsung is reportedly employing a few tricks. One of these involves removing layers of complexity, such as the screen digitizer. This would also explain why the Z Fold 6 Slim is rumored to lack S Pen support. Another potential method is the use of novel materials. And here's where the rumor gets truly exciting. Samsung might be considering using titanium for the backplate of the Z Fold 6 Slim. Titanium is a highly desirable material for smartphones. It's incredibly strong, lightweight, and resistant to corrosion. It's also hypoallergenic, making it a great choice for devices that will be in close contact with the skin. If this rumor proves to be true, the Z Fold 6 Slim would be the first Samsung foldable to feature a titanium backplate. This would be a significant departure from the steel or carbon fiber used in previous models. Using titanium for the backplate could offer several advantages. Durability. Titanium is incredibly strong, making it more resistant to scratches, dents, and other damage. This could result in a device that lasts longer and maintains its appearance over time. Lightweight. Titanium is also very lightweight, which could contribute to a more comfortable and ergonomic device. This is especially important for foldable phones, which can be quite bulky when folded. Premium feel. Titanium is often associated with luxury and high-end products. Using it in a smartphone could give it a premium feel and appeal to discerning consumers. While the titanium backplate is the most exciting aspect of the Z Fold 6 Slim rumor, there are other features that we might expect to see in this device. These could include a larger internal display, improved cameras, a more powerful processor, a longer-lasting battery. So, there you have it. Samsung might be preparing to launch a new foldable device that could redefine what we expect from these innovative smartphones. With its rumored titanium backplate, the Z Fold 6 Slim has the potential to be a game changer. What do you think about this rumor? Are you excited about the prospect of a titanium-backed Samsung foldable? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you for the next one.